Are you tired of working with low-res footage? Blurry and pixelated videos can ruin your final output, whether you are a filmmaker, video editor, or content creator. But what if I told you there is a simple way to enhance your video to stunning 4K resolution in just a few clicks? In today's video, I'll show you how you can upscale and enhance your videos using Wondershare UniConverter 16. This video is sponsored by Wondershare UniConverter 16. In today's video, I'll show you how you can upscale and enhance your video using Wondershare UniConverter 16, an AI-powered video enhancer that makes your footage look sharper, clearer, and more professional. Hey everyone, I'm Jens, and on this channel, I bring you the best tools and techniques to improve your video editing workflow. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's dive into the video. Okay, first you need to have Wondershare UniConverter 16 installed on your Windows or Mac computer. You can download it from their website. I'll put a link in the description below. You can just click on that link and download the software. After downloading the software, install it and make sure you have some AI credits topped up to unlock the full potential of Enhancer. Once the software is launched, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface. You can not only enhance your videos, but also you can convert your videos to different formats, compress your video, colorize image and video, etc. For now, let's focus on the video enhancer tool. Right on the home screen, you'll find the video enhancer tool. If you don't see immediately, you can just also find it under the video section. Click on it to get started. Now let's bring in the footage you want to enhance. Click on import and select your video. In my case, I'll use a 720p clip that looks slightly blurry, but you can use any video you want to improve. On the right side, you'll see enhancement option. The two main features we'll be using are video enhancer. This AI tool improves clarity, sharpness, and overall video quality. And the second one is AI upscaler. This lets you increase the resolution to your desired output like 4K, or even you can upscale your video to 8K. First, select the video enhancer option and let the AI analyze your footage. This step will automatically adjust the color, reduce noise, and enhance the detail of your video. Now let's move on to the upscaling. Click on the AI upscaler and choose your output resolution. In this case, I will select 4K. You can also set it to 2x, 3x, or even 4x the resolution. Once you are happy with the settings, choose your output folder and click export. You will see a progress bar, and depending on your video length, the process might take a few minutes. After the enhancement is done, go back and preview your upgraded video. The difference is night and day. You will notice sharper edges, better details, and overall professional look. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you have successfully enhanced your video to 4K resolution using UniConverter 16. Whether you are a filmmaker, YouTuber, or video editor, this tool can be a game changer in your workflow. Is this the best video enhancer and upscaler tool available? Probably not. But for that price, I think this is a great tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more video editing tips just like this one. Let me know in the comments what video editing challenges you are facing. I might cover them in my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.